Good afternoon, students. Today we are going to learn our next lesson, the discomfiture of Shaista Khan. Lesson number 11, page number 42. Okay. The discomfiture of Shaista Khan. Discomfiture means पराजय. ये लेसन में हम शाइस्ता खान का हार के बारे में पढ़ेंगे. Okay, student. So I'll read the lesson for you. Then I'll explain to you. Shaista Khan's campaign. In spite of repeated efforts in which he left no stone unturned, Adil Shah of Bijapur, underline the word Adil Shah of Bijapur, could not force Shivaji to surrender. Every Sardar of Bijapur who was sent against Shivaji was defeated. Adil Shah at last gave up the fight, made peace with Shivaji and gave recognition to his independent kingdom. Shivaji thus had peace for some time on his southern border. Adil Shah of Bijapur made several attacks on Shivaji, but he could not win over Shivaji Maharaj. He failed to win Shivaji Maharaj, and at last he gave a sign of establishing independent kingdom. Then Shivaji was in peace. Shivaji he established an independent kingdom and he was very peace in southern border. Okay, student. So coming to the next paragraph. In the meanwhile, constant Mughal attacks from the north and practically ruined Maharashtra. At the same time, when southern side was in a peace, southern border पीस में थे, नॉर्थ साइड में महाराष्ट्र को नॉर्थ साइड में कंटिन्यूस मुगल लोग अटैक कर रहे थे शिवाजी महाराज को. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, शिवाजी देयरफॉर टर्न्ड हिज अटेंशन नॉर्थवर्ड्स. सो शिवाजी उसका अटेंशन पूरा कंसंट्रेशन नॉर्थ साइड लगाया मुगल लोगों को अटैक करने के लिए. ओके स्टूडेंट, and carried out raids in the territory of the Mughal emperor. Aurangzeb. Mughal emperor कौन थे? Aurangzeb. Okay students, this enraged Aurangzeb and he sent Shaista Khan, his uncle, to deal with Shivaji and teach him a lesson. तब शिवाजी महाराज कंटिन्यूस फाइट कर रहे थे मुगल अटैक से. औरंगजेब को बहुत गुस्सा आया. सो ही सेंट हिज अंकल, हु वाज हिज अंकल, शाइस्ता खान, टू डील विद शिवाजी. ओके, Shaista Khan, with a huge army of 75,000 men and hundreds of elephants, camels and pieces of cannon, marched on Pune. On the way, he captured the town of Shivpur, Saswad, and finally laid siege to the port of Purandar. At the meantime, when Shaista Khan went a march, he went to fight against Shivaji. On the way to Maharashtra, he defeated many towns like Shirwal, Shivpur, Saswadi. ये सब towns को उन्होंने defeat किया. कौन? शाइस्ता खान ने. Okay, and at last he laid siege on the fort of Purandara. Underline the word fort of Purandar. He laid a siege on fort of Purandara. Nothing could stop his advance. Shaista Khan बहुत forcefully was attacking on the north side. कोई भी उसको रोक नहीं सकते. Okay, student. But once the Maratha army surrounded him in a mountain pass, the Maratha troops moved very fast on the swift Dimtadi ponies. They also travelled very light. They could not travel the hill and valleys in the shortest possible time on army rations consisting of onions and bajra bread. At the meantime, when Shaista Khan was when the Mughal emperor was attacking the Shivaji, the Maratha troops moved very fast and started attacking Shaista Khan. But Shaista Khan's army was huge. उनके पास बहुत men थे, बहुत hundreds of elephants थे, 75,000 armies थे. लेकिन मराठा ट्रूप के पास उतने नहीं थे. उनके पास कम आर्मी थे और वो लोग ट्रैवल करते समय ना उतना रेशन कैरी नहीं करते थे. थोड़ा ही रेशन से वो लोग सब काम पॉसिबल कर रहे थे. Okay student, I hope you all understood the lecture. The Maratha troops moved very fast on their swift Biptabi ponies. They also traveled very light. They could traverse the hills and valleys in the shortest possible time on army ration consisting of onions and bajra bread. This type of warfare perfected by the Marathas was unknown to Shaista Khan. Tired of the Tired of the continuous harassment by the Maratha troop, he at last raised the siege of Purandara. शाइस्ता खान बहुत थक गए था मुगल ट्रूप से, मराठा ट्रूप से फाइट करते. एट लास्ट उन्होंने क्या किया, ही रेज द सीज एट पुरंदरा. उन्होंने सीज किया फोर्ट ऑफ पुरंदरा. फोर्ट मतलब किला. पुरंदरा फोर्ट को उन्होंने सीज किया. ओके, कमिंग टू नेक्स्ट, फिरंगोजी नरसला. Shaista Khan then continued his march to Pune. After seizing the fort of Purandara, Shaista Khan ने उसका आर्मी को आगे लेके आया, पुणे तक लेके आया. फर्स्ट ही कैप्चर द फोर्ट ऑफ चकना. पहले सीज ऑफ पुरंदर उन्होंने फोर्ट को सीज किया. उसके बाद फोर्ट ऑफ चकना. अंडरलाइन द वर्ड फोर्ट ऑफ चकना. फिरंगोजी नरसला fought to defend the fort with great bravery and skill against the army of शाइस्ता खान. शाइस्ता खान बहुत ब्रेवली फाइट कर रहा था क्योंकि उसके पास बहुत ज़्यादा आर्मीज थे, बहुत ज़्यादा एलिफेंट्स थे फाइट करने के लिए. उसके पास बड़ा आर्मी थे. ओके, फॉर 2 months ही केप्ट शाइस्ता खान एट बे. Okay, after 2 months he kept Shaista Khan at bay, but he was helpless against the guns of Shaista Khan. Shaista Khan was fighting bravely. Even Firangoji Narsala was fighting bravely with Shaista Khan. Firangoji Narsala put all his effort to defeat Shaista Khan, but he could not do because Shaista Khan had a huge army. But still, Shaista Khan kept on fighting up to 2 months. Then Shaista Khan was impressed by the way Firangoji defeated him. He was impressed by the way fighting by Firangoji. So he offered Firangoji a service. He offered him a service to work in his Mughal emperor. He told Firangoji Narsala, you work for me. You work in a Mughal emperor. I'll give a good service. But Firangoji, however, refused his tempting offer. But Firangoji Narsala refused. उन्होंने मना किया उसका मुगल एम्परर ज्वाइन करने के लिए. आई होप यू ऑल understood the lesson. That's all for today's class. Let's continue in the next lecture. Thank you.